Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to send XRP from Bitmart to your Phantom wallet in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, moving assets securely is key to growing your portfolio. By the end of this video, you'll have the steps down pat, so let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Bitmart and Phantom wallet. If you haven't already, download the Phantom app from your app store and create a new wallet. It's quick and essential for handling XRP. Step 1. Log into your Bitmart account. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets section and select XRP from your asset list. This is where all the magic starts. Step 2. Click on the Withdraw button for XRP. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient address. To get this, open your Phantom wallet app, go to the XRP section, and copy the wallet address. Double-check it to avoid any errors. Step 3. Back in Bitmart, paste the Phantom wallet address into the withdrawal form. Then, enter the amount of XRP you want to send. Remember to leave enough for any network fees, which can vary based on 2025's blockchain conditions. Step 4. Review all the details carefully. This includes the address, amount, and estimated fees. Once you're confident, hit Confirm to initiate the transaction. You'll get a confirmation email or notification from Bitmart. Step 5. Sit tight. Transactions can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network traffic. Head over to your Phantom wallet and refresh it to see when the XRP arrives. And there you have it. That's how you securely transfer XRP from Bitmart to Phantom wallet in 2025. Always prioritize security by using hardware wallets if possible and verifying addresses twice. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.